How will you specify source code encoding in a Python source file? To specify the source code encoding in a Python source file, you can use a special comment at the beginning of the file. Comment is hashtag minus star minus coding colon encoding name minus star minus. Replace with the name of the encoding you are using, such as UTF-8 or ISO 88591. For example, if you are using UTF-8 encoding, you can include the following comment at the beginning of the Python source file. Hashtag minus star minus space coding colon UTF-8 space minus star minus. This comment should be placed on the first or second line of the file before any other code or comment. It is used by Python interpreter to determine the encoding of the source code in the file. That's it for this video. Thank you.